Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you the best way to repot Nepenthes Pitcher plants in our Indian climate, or in fact any climate. I shall also tell you where to buy these plants in India for a reasonable cost, so stay tuned. This plant was bought around 3 months back and it was planted in coco peat medium from the beginning. I didn't get the time to repot it until now, but recently I have been noticing that the leaves are turning a bit yellow. The pitchers are also not developing well, so it's high time I repotted it. As we all know that Nepenthes prefer a nutrient deficit medium, especially nitrogen deficit medium, for its better growth. The pitchers are designed such that they can collect insects and absorb nutrition directly from them. Hence, coco peat had been used initially. But the problem with coco peat is that it is extremely porous and dries up very fast. So, I shall be using a different medium here. The roots of Nepenthes are extremely fragile and may break very easily. Hence, special care should be taken while changing the medium. The pot should be a plastic one. It's better not to use a ceramic pot or earthen pot as they may leach minerals into the medium. The water should be below 100 ppm, so it's better to use distilled water or RO water, which is normally devoid of minerals. I shall be dipping the roots in water, as that would be a gentle way to remove the old medium without destroying the fragile roots. Now, let me introduce the current medium. I shall be using 100% sphagnum moss. Sphagnum moss is very costly in our country, around rupees 600 to rupees 700 per kg. The dried sphagnum moss should be washed properly to remove any dirt or debris from it. Then the water is to be squeezed off from it. Placing the sphagnum moss is another tricky part. At first, a small amount of it is to be placed at the bottom of the pot. Then the roots of the plant are to be spread and surrounded by some moss. It may be planted into the pot then. It is better not to squeeze much sphagnum into the pot as that will disturb the aeration. I prefer using 100% sphagnum moss without mixing with perlite or any other material. Sphagnum holds just the right amount of water into it. Now the plant is to be watered thoroughly using distilled water. For the first 2 weeks, it should be kept in shade outside and then slowly introduce it into sunlight. Now the main question of my viewers as to where to buy them. I will recommend you a Facebook group called Venus Flytraps VFT1 where Indian sellers often post their plants. The reasonable price of this plant is around rupees 600 to rupees 800, but I got it at a discount of rupees 400. Do subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thank you guys, have a great day.